reason to exist, and the problem really comes down to integrating them. People start building dashboards that have too much stuff in them, and they're too hard to build, and then they get a bit old and stale, or they break when you look at them, or something like that. So then there's all these other tools. Say you know how to use 2 or 3 tools, and you don't ever look at the other tools, even though they're the right one to solve whatever problem you've got. So the problem of discoverability. So what we've decided to do is build a portal that integrates all the tools together for a particular problem or an alert or part of the system, so that the other tools become discoverable, and that it's filtered so it only shows you stuff relevant to the thing you're trying to look at. The other thing that's part of the solution is to it's a portal, so I need to link and embed all these tools in there, and a lot of tools vendors build these nice Flash-based user interfaces that assume that that's all you're using. So you have to beat up the vendors and get them to put URLs that let you point at some inner part of their app, and ideally let you embed part of their user interface in some other app. So we've got linking, we're doing pretty well on with our vendors responding to that. Embedding, we're sort of getting there, but it's not really there yet. And then we want to dynamically generate this portal which has all the stuff in it. So this is sort of work in progress, but this is the vision of where we're trying to get to. So next slide. This is the basic tools we have for monitoring. Keynote gives you the external stuff. You get an email with a nice Keynote dashboard. Not everyone knows how to get to the Keynote dashboard, so we'll include that in our portal. Amazon CloudWatch, we suck all the data out of the Amazon API and surface it into something that the portal can render. App Dynamics, which gives you end-to-end transaction view showing the resources used, and you can drill in and do that sort of developer-oriented thing, look at where the code is slow. Lots of real-time debug. Nimbus gives you this sort of scalable monitoring and alerting, and they also have an integration portal in their latest version, which I'll show you a shot of. Epic, like I said, is our internal tool, easy to extend, and it gives you a fast way to get lots of graphs of things. And then we do logging, and we typically, Log4j is the standard logging mechanism in Java, and it's configurable at the back end. So we used to log it into Oracle, but we've changed the code so it logs it into Chokwa, which is part of the, it's one of the